So OnePlus recently launched the OnePlus Z in India with features like in-ear detection, bass boost, 20-hour battery life, all at the price of 3000 INR, almost 2000 INR cheaper than the OnePlus Buds and Realme Buds Z Pro. So the question that has to be asked is, how is the OnePlus Z compared to the OnePlus Buds, and should you buy it? Well, this is Prateek from TechWiser.com, and OnePlus Z is actually better than the OnePlus Buds and costs even less. Yes, you heard it right. There are 3 good reasons to say that the OnePlus Buds Z are better than the OnePlus Buds. And to explain that to you, here's my full review of the OnePlus Buds Z and comparison with the OnePlus Buds and Realme Buds Air Pro. And before we get to the video, well, we upload weekly tech videos, and if you want to stay wiser, subscribe to TechWiser. Come be a part of the team TW and hit the bell icon as well. Now, before we get into the video, if this is the first TWS you are buying, this is what you get in the box. The charging case and the buds. You also get a few ear tips and a cute little red cable. First up, the case is really similar to the Galaxy Buds case. It's a lot different from the OnePlus Buds, and surprisingly, these fit quite well in the jeans tiny pocket, or the watch pocket some might call. This is like the litmus test of any earphones case. If it gets into the jeans tiny pocket, then it is quite comfortable to carry. Surprisingly, the original OnePlus Buds and even the Realme Buds Air Pro didn't fit into these pockets. Now, coming to the buds itself, there are a lot of differences. The OnePlus Buds have this earpod-like out-ear design, and the Buds Z have an in-ear design. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a fan of the in-ear design for simply 2 reasons. First, it doesn't fall out of your ears while you're running or working out in the gym. Second, the ceiling is quite perfect and the in-ear ones appear louder. Like, even if you play both of them at 50% volume, the Z will sound louder due to the in-ear design. Now, if you notice, there's an ear detection sensor as well on the buds. So while listening to songs or watching movies, if you remove one earbud out of your ear, the music pauses. Kudos to OnePlus, they didn't remove the in-ear detection from the Buds Z even due to lower cost. But both of them support in-ear detection, and I found them to be quite similar. Like, here, have a look at them side by side and tell me which one's faster. Like, this is the one feature that you'll use several times a day and really appreciate whenever it works. Another thing that you'll use several times a day is the touch control on the earphones. Both of these have a touchpad, and as you can see, the back of the earphones are pretty similar. I would say exactly identical. So you only double tap on both sides, double tap to skip to the previous song or the next song. Now you can remap these touch gestures individually in OnePlus phones. And if you don't have a OnePlus phone, you can download the Hey Melody app. It released recently, and you can use it to modify the double tap functions. The app also provides firmware updates to the OnePlus Buds Z and the OnePlus Buds. Now again, there are some features which are exclusive to a OnePlus device. Like, if you pair these with a OnePlus device, you'll have equalizer settings. It can adapt as per movies, songs, etc. And trust me, this is not a gimmick, it really works. Additionally, if you have a OnePlus 7T or higher device, you also get Dolby Atmos with the OnePlus Buds. It's really amazing. Now, coming to the audio quality, well, the OnePlus Buds Z are definitely louder. They also have something called bass boost. Again, my go-to song to check the bass is Turn Your Lights Down Low by Bob Marley. And the OnePlus Buds Z have better bass, better depth, and better sound staging, all thanks to the in-ear design. So far now, everything seems neck to neck between the OnePlus Buds and OnePlus Buds Z. So why did I tell you that the Buds Z are better than the OnePlus Buds? Well, there are 3 reasons. The OnePlus Buds Z has better sound quality due to the in-ear design. The OnePlus Buds Z has IP55 water resistance, which is better than IPX4 on the Buds. It's really important if you run it or use it in the gym or even wear it in showers. And most importantly, the OnePlus Buds Z is priced about 2000 cheaper than the OnePlus Buds. I mean, I still can't believe that the Buds Z is cheaper than OnePlus Buds. You even get the low latency mode on OnePlus phones. Now, sure, there are some cost cutting as well, like the Buds Z have only 20-hour battery life compared to the 30-hour battery life. But come on, you can live with a 20-hour battery life. Also, the mic quality is slightly better on the OnePlus Buds. It has 3 mics, whereas the Buds Z have 2 mics. Like, hear it for yourself.
So this is the audio through the original OnePlus Buds under same surroundings with, I think, similar AQI. So this is the audio through the OnePlus Buds Z under ambient indoor surroundings with my fan and the air purifier on.
So, bottom line, should you buy it? Well, yes, get it over the OnePlus Buds. The OnePlus Buds Z are a better overall package compared to the OnePlus Buds. You get better sound quality, better IP ratings, and a price difference of whole 2000 INR. And with the release of Hey Melody app, I can recommend this to anyone. On that note, this is Pradeep signing off. Subscribe to TechWiser, share this video with someone looking for a TWS or your OnePlus buddies, and I'll see ya.